Open the door. Open the chute. Close the chute. All right, open again. Turn the PTO on, please. There you go. Magnetic tray on the chute. We've got a Kuhn RC270 reel mixer. Just gonna do a quick walk around it to show you the quality. There it is, going round and round. Tires are in great tread. Excellent tread on tires. Paint is all original on this mixer. It's got a heavy duty rear bumper, light kit in the back, viewing ladder. And again, it's a nice, clean, well-maintained, one-owner mixer. Small 1000 PTO. It's got a hydraulic door and a hydraulic chute. The hitch is in really, really nice shape. You can tell it wasn't pulled as much because the hitch is in super nice shape. I'll go ahead and climb up there and show you the back, or show you the inside. I'll show you the heavy duty gears that it has. There's the gears and chains, thick, thick chains. There it is, going round and round. Go ahead and close this. But it's got HD drive. Go ahead and climb up here, show you the inside. There it is, going round and round. Rev it up to you. Wipers, that's good. Good. I can show you the augers. There you have it. This unit will be sold on auction time. No reserve auction, sold to the highest bidder. Any questions, please call. We've got this unit here on our lot, and we'll get you loaded if you want to put it on a semi, or if you want to pull it. It pulls good, but it's a super heavy unit. You'll almost have to pull it with a big dually truck or semi because it's heavy. Thank you for watching my video.